Raining again in South Alabama. Meadows Creek, 20-1A. P63 steers, $785. 20-1B, be 84 steers at $600. Cattle be sorted according to weight. Meadows Creek steers, 20-1A, 20-1B. 1A be one load around 63, 65, around 785. 20-1B be around 84 or 5 head, around 600. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama. Richard and Glenn Meadows, one of the founding members of the Alabama Safe Sale. Meadows Creek, they're also in the Charolais, purebred Charolais business, raising Charolais bulls, selling in Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. Richard's also a mineral salesman. 20-1A is September the 2nd through September the 14th delivery, around 785. Cattle be sorted according to weight. 20-1B be 84 head, around 600 pounds, for September the 15th through 20 delivery. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama. Richard and Glenn Meadows. Meadows Creek, 20-1A and 1B. They'll also sell with the next producer, John R. McDaniels. Richard and Glenn have around 40-odd head of the bigger steers on 20-1A, and John McDaniels will finish the rest out with his. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama. Meadows Creek, 20-1A will be around 45 head, and McDaniels will have around 18 head on the heavy load, and it'll be split between them on the 20-1B. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama. Meadows Creek steers, 20-1A, 20-1B. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama, 20-1A, 20-1B. Meadows Creek's Heifers, 20-2A, be 30 head of heifers, around 670, September the 2nd through 14th delivery. 20-2B, be around 40 heifers, around 5-25, September the 15th through 20 delivery. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama, heifers. Real nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, sired by Angus and Charolais bulls, just like the steers. Meadows Creek. Cattle are settling down, real docile cattle. Probably somewhere close to 50-50 on the colors. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama. Richard and Glenn Meadows. John McDaniels, the next producer, will have cattle in the 20-2A and the 20-2B. Meadows Creek, Ashford, Alabama, 20-2A, 20-2B. 2A will be 30 heifers around 670, September the 2nd through 14th. 20-2B be around 40 heifers around 525, September the 15th through 20. Again, really a nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers sired by Angus and Charolais bulls. Meadows Creek also produces purebred Charolais, along with raising a few commercial cattle. Meadows Creek, 20-2A, 20-2B. Meadows Creek, 20-2A, 20-2B.